Hey everybody, it's Marty from Aspect LED. Today we're at a local ice rink in St. Paul, Minnesota, and we're here to show the durability of our N-Series waterproof strip lights. Pat, can you tell us a little bit more about this project?
This is a fun project here at a local rink that's supported only by volunteers. So this is one of the last community-based rec center hockey teams, and all the parents and community members support the rink by flooding it every night. So we're adding something back to the community by putting some in-ground lighting to replicate the red and blue lines.
Awesome.
A local legend.
A local legend.